Hello and welcome to Set to Hike. If you are new here, my name is Hayley and this is a channel that is all about hiking. So today I am teaming up with the awesome people at Backcountry Cuisine to do a giveaway because we have reached 5,000 subscribers here on YouTube. So I wanted to do this not only as a celebration but also as a way to say thank you to you for being here, for watching my videos, for following my journey. It honestly means so much to have you here. I remember it took me an entire year to get 100 subscribers, and I took a screenshot when YouTube sent me the notification to say that I'd reached 100, so to think that I have 5,000 of you now blows my mind. So if you're not familiar with Backcountry Cuisine, you may have been living under a rock, but basically they make freeze-dried food for all your outdoor adventures. So it's super lightweight and super easy. Pretty much just pour your water, hot or cold, into your food and you get a rehydrated, delicious meal. So together with Backcountry Cuisine, we will be giving away breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert for 2 people. It's quite a lot of food, so you can choose whether you want to eat it all in one trip or space it out over time over multiple trips. I will put the details on how you can enter in the description box below, but basically you will go onto Instagram and follow Backcountry Cuisine Australia. You also subscribe to this YouTube channel, Set to Hike, and comment on this video with your favourite flavour of Backcountry Cuisine and your Instagram handle beside it. This is an Australian only giveaway, so I'm sorry for those people who are not within Australia, but gives my Aussies a chance to win something. Whether you've watched my videos for entertainment or you've taken some of my advice over the years, it honestly means so much. I also made a Patreon a few months ago, so I just want to give a special shout out to these lovely people who have joined in. So Backcountry Cuisine, this giveaway will last for 2 weeks. I hope you win, and I hope to see some photos of you scoffing down your meals on a hike.